Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you a true Louis Vuitton bag unboxing that I got from the Louis Vuitton online boutique, and I just received this today. I just thought I haven't done a true unboxing on my channel for so long, and also I haven't purchased a Louis Vuitton bag for a while now. Well, it feels like a while, but I purchased the Louis Vuitton bum bag along with this one in the boutique. I was so lucky to get this, and it's quite silly of me because I had rejected two of the mini pochette in Damier Ebene. I was like, yeah, no, I really want the monogram. So now I got the monogram. I really want to get the Damier Ebene one just because I love that like red interior. Oh, it's so deluxe. So I love this piece, never letting it go, and I can't believe that it is so hard to get. Yeah, it's gonna be quite a chit-chatty sort of video. I'm gonna unbox it, talk to you guys about the bag, why I've been thinking about it for about 2 months, and I have purchased this bag pre-loved once before. You know, when I'm purchasing pre-loved, I do like it to be in mint condition, excellent condition, or like new condition. So I just thought, you know what, there's going to be a price increase in Australia very soon in the next few days. As it stands currently today, there are no price increases, thank goodness, but it has happened in Europe. It's already increased, and in the US, and Australia is yet to come. So I thought I'd just bite the bullet and just get this bag right now, and it's still a great price point. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, so it came in this huge box, and I did ask on my Instagram stories what you guys think of this bag, yay or nay. Majority of you guys said yes. It was like a 40-60, like 40% said no, 6% said yes. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll leave my Instagram handle right here, and I'm so excited. All right, so opening the box. Says Louis Vuitton. Oh, that's so cute. So I've got the box here, and then I've got my receipt. So let's have a look at the receipt first, how the online receipts look like. So you've got that, which is, oh, I wrote myself a little something because yeah, it's a complimentary thing. And then you've got the returns and exchanges and the classic receipt. They've given me 2 gift receipts. I was hoping that there would be a price, and yeah, anyway, so that's that. So I'll take this out. Okay, I'm just gonna have to take it out like this. And then in here also, you get the shopping bag. And that's all that's in this box right here. So you get the shopping bag, it's really cute. And then, okay, so it comes in this gorgeous, cute little box. How adorable, gorgeously wrapped. So they shipped it on, I think, Monday, and today's Tuesday, so I received it via DHL. Take the ribbon off. And then it's got the magnetic box. And it comes in this cute little dust bag. Oh, so cute. And there's nothing left in the box. Can you guys guess what sort of bag this is? All right, revealing to you. Oh, so cute. Oh, ta-da. So what I have here, this is the gorgeous, oh, this is stunning, you guys. Oh, it smells amazing. Fresh Louis. Nothing beats that smell of fresh Louis. You whiff it, it's so strong. It's got this distinct smell to it, and I just love that. So what I have here is the Louis Vuitton ALMA BB. It is so cute, and it's in this gorgeous Damier Ebene print. And yeah, it's a bag that I have previously purchased pre-loved before, and I just thought, you know, the price point is still really good to purchase it from the store because it is still below $2,000. Just give you a close-up. So it's in the gorgeous Damier Ebene print, which is stunning, and you've got the clochette here with the 2 keys inside, sort of like popping out. It says Louis Vuitton Paris on the front. I'm gonna get my initial hot stamped on here, and then on this side it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I love a made in France piece. The majority of these Alma BB is made in France. We've got the golden hardware, really nice and shiny. How cute. It's got the 4 gorgeous feet. It says Louis Vuitton on the studs. And when I purchased this one pre-loved, the studs had worn quite a bit. The corners had 1 or 2 scuffs, which can happen with this bag because, you know, it's like quite a sturdy structured bag, especially the base. This darker leather has a matte finish to it. Let's open it up. Oh, how cute is that? I've just been loving red lately, and it is so deluxe and delicious, isn't it? It's like this red, like red carpet interior. It's just gorgeous. So you open this up and, oh, I didn't get a dust bag for this, but it comes with the shoulder strap, and then it also comes with a little dust bag. I think this is the lock and the, ooh, got the lock, but there's no keys. Oh, the keys are in here. I was like, what? So yeah, comes with a lock, which I'll open, and then it comes with a tag, which says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. And then it's got the slip pocket here, which is, oh my gosh, it smells amazing. And it's got the date code inside, which is so hard to read. So this one was made in the 52nd week of 2019. And then it comes with the little lock, and the lock says 666 on it. It's either 666 or 999. That is so interesting. So let's see what the keys say on here. Does that say 999? Oh no, it says 666. I just feel like, and then you've got this gorgeous shoulder strap, which has the 2 D-rings on either side. Very, very cute. I'm going to attach this on. So this is the bag handheld, which is quite cute. Cute for date nights out, for dinners, very cute. And hold it handheld. The shoulder. Quite cute, right? And then crossbody, like so. Crossbody. Oops. Let's see what fits in this bag. So now I've got my mini pochette in the monogram canvas, and I definitely want the Damier Ebene one to match. And then I've got the round coin purse, also monogram. I've got the key clay. There's plenty of room in there. I've got the Empreinte key pouch in rose ballerine. Oh my gosh, this is all Louis Vuitton. I've got the Grace Coddington. This is one of a set of 3 that Bestie gave me, and this is the limited edition one. I think it's called Raining Cats and Dogs or something like that, and it's got this gorgeous orange interior. How cute. Gorgeous card holder. Let's see if that fits in here. And it fits perfectly, yes. So there's a lot of room to move. And then I've got my monogram Marie compact wallet. This has been discontinued. Love this. It's in the gorgeous red interior. Just got some SLGs out to see if it fits. I'm going to just zip it up and see if the zipper warps or anything like that. Depends on your placement as well. I think this one is pretty good. So yeah, that is so cool. I'll give you my final thoughts on this bag. I think it's absolutely cute. I love the shape, and I love the new take on the cowhide leather trim, how it's like a matte finish. I think it makes the bag look a lot more expensive, and I just love how the gold hardware really pops on this bag, and how smooth this zipper is. And I just love that pop of red interior. It just brings the bag to another level. It's very deluxe, and lately I've been obsessed with red because of my Le Creuset collection. It's made me fall in love with red, and hence why, one of the reasons why it's led me onto this bag. And the great thing about this is that it's an all-weather bag. Like, you won't have to worry about the vachette patinaing. Rain can get on this, you just wipe it off and that's it. And the price point was great. This one retails for $1,920. So gorgeous. Mel just opened it. And I love my bags. It's so cute. Mel just opened all of this. Yeah, is that better? You can see like my whole collection. What was I saying? That I love top handle bags with a strap, so the strap is versatile. I can, you know, be hands-free if I'm at work or grocery shopping, or, you know, out and about. I can wear it on the shoulder or crossbody, so I do love that option. That's all for my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Would love to know your thoughts on the Louis Vuitton ALMA BB. What are your thoughts on it? I mean, the name is so cute and this shape is just really classic and iconic. At the start, I didn't understand why everyone just loved this bag so much, because I just felt like the Alma shape was a little bit too mature, a little bit old lady-ish, but in the size it's so cute, especially with the shoulder strap. So I just love the shape. It's really cute, gives it that dressy appeal to it. And any tips on how to look after the 4 feet? And that's a thing that sort of puts me off Louis Vuitton bags, is because the hardware does not last. The quality is not like it used to be. That's why I was so addicted to buying pre-loved Louis Vuitton back in the day. Also, I'd love to know in the comment section down below, what types of videos would you like to see from me next? Thank you all so much for watching. Please take care until next time. I will see you in my next video.